Namaste students, हमेशा खुश हो बिटिया। I am JVS Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss the topic that is the origin of nucleic acid. So in the previous lecture we have discussed the topic that is the origin of amino acid. So both the molecules are originated through a process that is the organic evolution, which we have already discussed in the earlier lecture. So in this lecture, we will focus on the nucleic acid. Okay, so what is nucleic acid and nucleotides? So as you know that nucleotides are essential for all life on the earth as they form the building blocks of the DNA or RNA, that is the genetic material of all living beings. And understanding how they were first made is a long-standing challenge, and that must be resolved to illustrate the origin of life. So origin of is they are nucleotides are the genetic material, so their origin may answer the question the origin of life. So what is the nucleotides? So basically they are composed of the three components: sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate. So all the three compose the nucleotides, and the polymerization in the nucleotides will lead to the formation of the nucleic acids, that is the RNA or DNA. So they are developed or the originate via the organic evolution. So the organic evolution is have four stages. We have already discussed. The first stage is the atomic stage. Sorry, in which the all the compounds are present in the atomic forms as the temperature of the initial environment was very high. So the compounds are present only in the atomic stage. So next, in the molecular stage, the compounds, the atoms are forms to combine to form the simple inorganic compounds or the molecules. So like the H2O, the CO2, CO, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, and the hydrogen. So next is the origin of early inorganic compounds, in which the simpler organic compounds are formed, like the nitrides, carbides, methane, hydrogen cyanide. Water vapors change into the raindrops, and the primitive oceans were formed. So the combination of the inorganic compounds makes the early organic compounds. So in the next stage, the origin of the simple organic compounds. So here is the stage where the base components of the nucleotides are formed, that is the purine and the pyrimidine. So along these compounds, the aldehydes, ketones, alcohol, pentose, hexose, sugars, amino acids, glycerol, fatty acids are also formed in this stage. Okay, so in the next stage, the origin of complex organic compounds is there. So complex organic compounds are the proteins, polysaccharides, fats, and lipids, and they are formed by the polymerization of their base component. Like the proteins are formed for the polymerization of the amino acids, polysaccharides are formed with the polymerization of their monomer units, and the lipids and fats are formed like that. Likewise, the sugars, the nitrogenous bases and phosphates combines to form the nucleotides in the complex organic compounds stage. So origin of the complex organic compound stage. In this stage, the nucleotides are formed, and after some time, the nucleotides are polymerized to form the nucleic acids. Okay, so various nucleic acids with the RNA and the DNA are formed in the this stage. Okay, so thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this visual session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.